Hi, I'm Cynthia. Let's make your own ragdoll. Order your pattern www.tybyflowerragdolls. Come, gather your supplies. For supply list, visit www.tybyflowerragdolls.com. Great select on fabric. Noticing how I'm sewing the pattern attached to the fabric, using the correct sewing needles for your fabric and sewing machine, this will work just fine. Sewing along the solid black line. Take your time. Move your fabric slowly, ensuring everything is neat and aligned underneath. Make sure to examine your sewing on both sides. Reinforce your stitching. Do this before cutting pattern off. Cut out the pattern, being careful not to cut too close to your stitching lines. This will help ensure the integrity of your seams and prevent unraveling. Notice how I cut a slit in the back, from the bottom up to mid to the neck area. This will help you turn the fabric inside to right side. Restuff the doll as needed. You are making great progress. Once you have attached the extremities, it's time to examine your work. Remember, you still have the back to sew up. Make sure the craft stick is flat and covered. I hope you've accomplished a solid, well-constructed ragdoll. If you noticed, I didn't mention pre-drawing the face before attaching and sewing the pattern. Watch creating your face video tutorial. I'm not as focused on the faces because I'm into Gullah-inspired contemporary ragdolls. However, I will share how I master the face. I've initiated part 2 of the Pink Beauty tutorial, focusing on face drawing techniques. The segment concludes with me demonstrating my design planning process, which I do before I begin crafting. Pink Beauty embodies my vision of Glenda,